Hi guys, so today's assignment is a continuation of Tuesday's assignment. In Tuesday's assignment, you should have picked 5 words from the list of 12 that I provided from you of vocabulary words found in chapter 12 of To Kill a Mockingbird. On Tuesday, you were required to get a definition from the dictionary of the term, as well as create your own definition for each of the 5 terms that you picked. So for today's assignment, you are to use those same 5 words that you used for the assignment on Tuesday, but this time you're going to be creating a paragraph using all 5 words in it. So you can either do 5 separate paragraphs or 1 paragraph with all 5 words in it. Whichever way you choose is up to you. It does not matter to me. I just need a paragraph that includes all 5 words or at least 5 separate paragraphs. So your paragraph does not have to be in the To Kill a Mockingbird form. It doesn't have to have anything to do with To Kill a Mockingbird. It just has to use the definitions. So I have created an example using the word altercation, which is the same example that I used in Tuesday's lesson. So my paragraph reads, Anna had always had a problem with Katie. They fight all the time and can never agree on anything. Because they were always fighting, Anna didn't think twice about the altercation they had Monday. Their fight was nothing new. So you can see I used the definition and it was in context of what the word means. So I use the word in my paragraph and it makes sense in there. So you want to make sure that the words make sense in the paragraph that you are writing. Don't just randomly put it in there. It needs to make sense in that paragraph. So again, I will come back to you on Thursday with another video and another example of what is expected of you. Remember, use the same 5 words that you used in the first assignment. Have a nice day.